Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how you can invest in treasury bill and earn over 18% interest per annum. Are you ready for this? Let's get into it. Welcome to my channel. If you're here to subscribe, kindly do so as you share legit information here on this channel. So let's start. What is this treasury bill? What is it all about? This happens when federal government is actually in need of money in circulation, and thereby you as a citizen of this country can lend them the money to embark on some of their projects, and in return they pay you interest. Yes, it's as simple as that. That is the contract that bind you and the government together as treasury bill is concerned. All right, so what is the minimum amount you can actually invest in this treasury bill? You can invest as low as 100,000 naira if you are going through the route of any commercial banks, and there is no maximum amount that you cannot invest. The minimum is just 100,000 naira. We have different tenure for this treasury bill. We have 3 months, we have 6 months, and we have 12 months. Each of these tenure actually have different interest that is allocated to each of them. For instance, for the 3 months investment, the interest allocated is 17%. For the 6 months investment, the interest allocated is 18%, while that of 1 year investment, the interest allocated is 19%. Mind you, this is bound to change. I'm only telling you this interest that is available as at the time I'm making this video. Are you getting this? Now, how does this treasury bill, how does it actually work, and how can you access it? You can go to any commercial bank where you have a bank account, active one, and request for the form for treasury bill, and they will give you, and you get yourself enrolled in this investment. Are we together? All right. So it is also worthy to note that this investment only happens twice in a month. That is to say, every two weeks. You just go for the bidding, you fill a form for the bidding, and once your bidding is successful, then the money will be debited from your account, and they will pay you your interest upfront. Pay your interest upfront. What does that actually means? Is that a technical jargons? Let's explain that. Getting your interest upfront simply means that what you are supposed to get as a profit is being paid to you even before the investment starts. Let's get practical. Let's say you want to invest 1 million into this treasury bill, and the interest, assuming, is just 20%. On the day that they want to debit your account, they will simply take 800,000 naira from your account, and the remaining 200,000 naira will be left in your account, which is your interest. That is to say, the government has paid you your interest on this treasury bill up front. And once it is time for this investment to be terminated, they are going to refund you the whole 1 million. Though you have taken your interest upfront, but the capital that is supposed to have been charged will be given back to you in full on the day you are terminating this investment. Are you getting this? So this is actually how this treasury bill works. We have different options. We have primary options and we have secondary options. Primary option simply means that you want to buy your treasury bill straight from the federal government, while secondary option means that you want to get it from those who are already holding this treasury bill. This might be of different rates, that is different from the primary option rate. I hope you have found this video very valuable. All right, that is what I want to share with you in this short conversation about treasury bill. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in my next video.